the only Chinese concept Starbucks in Hong Kong. Let's go to MTR. So I am from Chunwan. Kailangan kong mag-transfer from Lai King Red Line to Hong Kong Line, bababa ng Kowloon. So let's go. And don't forget to tap your card. Ride the train and bababa ng Lai King Station. Sa kabila niya, yun na yung Hong Kong Line. Then bababa ng Kowloon Station. Find the exit. Exit E, Hong Kong Palace Museum. Hanapin ang exit E1, pero sarado siya ngayon kaya exit E2 tayo. Either this way, diretso lang, makakita ka ng overpass. Akyat lang sa taas, tapos diretso. May mga sign naman, so it's very accessible, easy. Tapos you can go down by the lift or stairs. Pagbaba mo, yun na yung part, makikita mo na. Then go straight ahead, hanapin mo yung parang box na building, maglalakad ka pa ng mga 5 minutes. Then there is security check sa bag. Then just go one level up to your right and to your right again, and voila! Welcome to Starbucks Hong Kong Palace Museum. I highly recommend this kasi iba yung scenery niya, scenery chart. Iba siya sa karaniwang Starbucks and napakaganda ng views niya. May libre silang souvenir card. So yeah, please visit. It's one of a kind Starbucks. Thank you for watching.